The official teaser for One UI 8.5 has finally arrived, and it shows a major shift in Samsung's software design. The video gives a quick look at how the new interface blends into everyday life, making every moment feel smoother and more connected. It starts by showing how a normal day can move from one task to another without any breaks, and that idea reflects the future direction of One UI. The focus is on easy movement, quick transitions, and a visual style that feels more advanced than anything Samsung has released before. One UI has always been known for clean layouts and simple usability, but now Samsung is aiming for something more stylish and more immersive. The teaser highlights how experiences flow naturally from one device to another. Whether it's switching between apps, exploring new content, or jumping into entertainment, the updated design tries to make everything feel effortless. Samsung wants users to feel like each interaction opens a new space within the interface. According to Samsung's newsroom announcement, One UI 8.5 will debut with the Galaxy S26 series, and this version may be the biggest design upgrade since the launch of One UI back in 2018. Leaked builds of the software already created excitement in the community, especially after the introduction of the new Glass UI theme. This design language replaces flat visuals with a more layered and transparent look, making everything appear deeper and more modern. Instead of plain backgrounds and simple shapes, the new design adds frosted effects, gentle blurs, and subtle lighting that make icons and menus stand out. Panels appear as if they are floating above the wallpaper, creating a sense of depth across the entire interface. Every element, from widgets to settings menus, is crafted to look soft, smooth, and almost three-dimensional. The quick panel is one of the areas getting a noticeable makeover. The outlines are thinner, the transparency is higher, and the layout feels lighter than before. It's clear that Samsung is trying to move toward a premium visual style that still remains easy to use. Even simple gestures like swiping down to check brightness or tapping a toggle are expected to feel more natural and more visually pleasing. Samsung also hints that One UI 8.5 is about more than just looks. The system is being shaped into a unified ecosystem that stretches across multiple categories. Phones, tablets, watches, laptops, and home appliances will share the same visual identity and smooth transitions. This means routines will flow across devices automatically. For example, work started on a phone can continue on a tablet, and smart home commands can sync directly with other Galaxy products. The teaser also gives a quick look at how daily activities might feel with the updated design. It shows a day that begins with simple tasks, continues through entertainment and productivity, and ends with relaxation. All these moments are powered by an interface that aims to stay out of the user's way while still looking visually rich. The message is clear. One UI 8.5 wants to make life feel more organized, calm, and connected. Another big focus is intelligence. Samsung is preparing One UI 8.5 to behave more like a helpful digital assistant instead of just a collection of menus. The system is expected to understand patterns, suggest actions, and support tasks in the background. This shift towards smarter software reflects Samsung's long-term plan to combine design, AI, and ecosystem features into one experience. Overall, the new teaser confirms that One UI 8.5 is not a small update. It represents a new chapter in Samsung's design philosophy. The visuals are cleaner, deeper, and more advanced. The ecosystem is more unified, and the interface adds a level of polish that makes everyday actions feel more meaningful. Samsung is aiming to make every swipe, tap, and gesture feel like a smooth part of the user's daily routine. This new design language shows how far One UI has come in just a few years. What started with a focus on usability has now evolved into a balance of beauty and functionality. With the Galaxy S26 lineup approaching, the hype around One UI 8.5 is only growing. More teasers and leaks are expected soon, but for now, this first look gives a clear picture of the future direction of Samsung's software.